Are you tired of feeling stiff and restricted in your movements? Whether it's sitting at your desk for hours, intense workouts, or just the natural wear and tear on your body, tight muscles can make even simple tasks feel like a challenge. It's easy to overlook flexibility, but did you know that poor flexibility can lead to chronic pain, limited mobility, and increased risk of injury? What if I told you that just a few minutes a day could drastically improve your flexibility and make you feel like a new person? The best part? You don't need hours of training or fancy equipment. With the right stretches, you can unlock insane flexibility and feel better in no time. The problem? Flexibility is often forgotten. When life gets busy, stretching is often the first thing we skip. We focus on cardio, strength, or endurance, but flexibility is just as important for maintaining a healthy body. Tight muscles, poor posture, and restricted movements are a common consequence of neglecting flexibility, and the effects only get worse over time. The truth is, most people don't realize how quickly flexibility can improve with the right approach. But with just a few minutes a day, you can begin to unlock your body's full potential and feel lighter, more agile, and pain-free. The solution: best stretching exercises to unlock flexibility in minutes. Ready to transform your body? These simple yet powerful stretches can help you unlock insane flexibility in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Downward dog. 1 minute. A classic yoga move that stretches your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. Start on all fours and lift your hips toward the ceiling, pushing your heels down and lengthening your spine. Standing forward. Fold. 1 minute. Stand tall and hinge forward from your hips, letting your head and hands drop toward the floor. This targets your hamstrings and lower back, helping to release tension. Hip flexor stretch. 1 minute per side. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge, pressing your hips down toward the floor. This stretch helps to open up your hip flexors, which can get tight from sitting.